Hello.
Hello. So let me write here. Hello.
I'm Miss Bell.
I'm Miss Bell. I'm Miss Bell. So I'm, it means ben. For example, I'm Burak, or I'm Daphne, or I'm Jack.
What's your name?
Please repeat, tekrar edin. What's your name? Let's listen again.
Bell. What's your name?
What's your name? So, right here. What's your name? What's, it means nedir. So, what's your name? Senin ismin nedir? What's your name? So, what's your name?
I'm Tim.
I'm Tim. Please repeat. Lütfen tekrar edin. Let me write here. I'm Tim. So, I'm Tim.
And what's your name?
And what's your name? Senin adın nedir? So, what's your name?
I'm Rosie.
Please repeat. Tekrar ediniz. I'm
Rosie.
I'm Rosie. Ben Rosie. So, I'm Rosie.
And what's your name?
And what's your name? And, it means ve. And what's your name? What's your name?
B. B.